Press Information Bureau, Shillong today organised media workshop, Vartalap, with journalists from Meghalaya on election and media. The aim of the workshop was to reinforce media ethics and enhance the capabilities of journalists in managing risk in election reporting and give authentic information to the people. During the workshop, Chief Electoral Officer of Meghalaya, F.R. Kharkongor, said that role of Election Commission and media are two sides of the same coin in ensuring free and fair election. He urged media to set the right narratives and help voters to make informed choice. Director General of PIB B. Narayanan said during workshop that 90% of the fake news can be easily detected using internet and fake news tools, and urged journalists to get them acquainted with.
The role of the Election Commission and the media are basically two sides of the same coin, to ensure that there's a level playing field, to ensure that there is, that everyone, that all the players play by the rules. It has always been an abiding belief of the Election Commission and the Office of the CEO that media is omnipresent. No democratic election can take place without media. Media is a necessity to ensure a free and fair election.
A program to celebrate and spotlight the communities